In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import LinkedIn contacts to HubSpot with ease. This process is straightforward and helps you seamlessly integrate valuable contact information from LinkedIn into your HubSpot account. This is an essential task for anyone looking to leverage LinkedIn connections for a more personalized marketing strategy, and I'll walk you through each step. To start, visit the trial guide in your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so. The trial guide will provide you with a framework tailored specifically to guide you through processes within HubSpot. Once you're on the main HubSpot dashboard, navigate to the marketplace. You can usually find this option in the main navigation bar. It serves as the place where various apps and integrations available for HubSpot can be found. Why the marketplace, you ask? Well, the HubSpot marketplace offers a range of applications that you can integrate with your account to amplify its functionality. Now that you've accessed the marketplace, the next step is to locate the app section. Within the app section, you find various applications that can be integrated into your HubSpot account to expand its capabilities. Keep in mind that leveraging these apps can streamline your workflow and enhance your overall productivity. After you've entered the app section, go to the search bar and type in LinkedIn. This search will pull up all available LinkedIn applications within the HubSpot marketplace. Remember, using the right application can create a smooth data transition from LinkedIn to HubSpot, saving you time and enhancing the precision of your data. Once the search results appear, select the LinkedIn app that meets your needs. Click on the option that allows you to integrate LinkedIn contacts directly into HubSpot. After selecting, you'll see a button to install the app. Go ahead and click on Install App. The installation process should only take a few moments, allowing you to quickly move on to utilizing this integration. As the app installs, HubSpot will guide you through any additional setup processes required to finalize the integration with your LinkedIn account. Follow any on-screen prompts to ensure the setup is successful. With the integration enabled, your LinkedIn contacts will now sync directly with your HubSpot account, offering a comprehensive view of your leads and contacts. This integration can provide valuable insights into your professional network and enhance your outreach capabilities. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can import your LinkedIn contacts to HubSpot effortlessly. This integration helps ensure that your marketing and sales efforts are more targeted and effective, harnessing the power of your LinkedIn network directly within the HubSpot platform. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.